This is a video about a frame straightener, body straightener, or whatever you want to be pulling. I made it out of concrete, and as you see I got some anchors there. But the one thing it's okay if you're pulling, I can pull sideways, but pulling from the front or the back, I never had this piece, and I bought this piece from eBay for $100. I didn't know what it was, really. I mean, I know what it was, but it didn't look this big and heavy in the picture they had. So you need this here when you're pulling real hard, toward the front, or what it is a clamp that fits on the pinch weld. I've had some homemade ones, but I didn't have anything like this, and this is let me show you how heavy this sucker is. Big old heavy thing. I don't know what it weighs, probably 25 pounds or so. But yeah, anyway, if you don't know what it is, these here clamp onto the pinch weld on the bottom of your car right here, and you can hook a chain to here and here, and you hook a chain to that. Of course, you have to put something underneath there, maybe a jack stand or something, so it don't pull down, but But that's if I pull real hard on something to try to straighten the frame or something, you need this. But actually, you probably could stand to have one there, and actually 4 of them, so it'd be $400.